Basic science for kids. Microscope. Globe rocket. What is science? Science helps us understand the world around us. Scientists ask questions and discover how things work. Earth and space. Globe. Milky Way. Earth is our home planet. It travels around the Sun, which is a star in our solar system. Living things. DNA. Biology is the study of life. Humans, animals, and plants are all living things. The human body. Anatomical. Heart. Brain. The brain helps us think, the heart pumps blood, and the lungs help us breathe. Chemistry. Alembic. Everything around us is made of tiny particles called atoms. Chemistry studies how substances change. Physics. High voltage. Physics explains gravity, light, sound, and energy. Gravity keeps us on Earth. Computers and IPC. Robot. Computers help us learn and work. AI helps machines perform smart tasks. The future. Rocket. Scientists continue to explore space, build new technology, and make exciting discoveries.